Question 5. A regular polygon has an interior angle of 3x degrees and an exterior angle of x minus 20 degrees. We need to find how many sides it has. Let's picture what's happening at one corner of the polygon. Here is one side, and here is the next side. If we extend the first side onwards in a straight line, the interior angle, 3x, and the exterior angle, x minus 20, sit right next to each other on that straight line. And angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degrees. That's the key fact we'll use. So the interior plus the exterior equals 180. That gives 3x plus x minus 20 equals 180. Combining the x's, 4x minus 20 is 180. Add 20 to both sides, 4x is 200. Divide by 4, and x is 50. Now we can find the exterior angle. It's x minus 20, and x is 50. So 50 minus 20 is 30 degrees. Here's the last idea. The exterior angles of any polygon always add up to 360 degrees. Since each exterior angle here is 30, the number of sides is 360 divided by 30, which is 12. So the polygon has 12 sides. Well done. That's question 5 complete.